Hello everyone, Justin here, and let's sketch a duck today. And we're just gonna draw the head. So let's just imagine the head is like right here. We'll continue the darkening the top right now, and the beak then will stick out this way, kind of like at 8 o'clock. Come out and start curving the end. And of course it gets a little bit wider as it gets back to the head. So we can make that a little bit darker. And go ahead and outline that. We've got an opening right here on its bill. And make this a little bit darker still. So there's a separation then from the bill to the head, so let's just go ahead and start marking that off. And this is where the feathers would start. The beak will kind of go out a little bit farther, and then the bottom of the head is right here, so we'll go ahead and draw that in. And then the neck starts right here, and we just have a kind of a curved line that goes down. So going back to the top of the head, this isn't going to be a perfectly fair curve. There'll be some bumps and stuff here, and like kind of go out depending on how the feathers are laying and muscles of the head. So go down, and right about here would be the eye. So like right here, let's go ahead and draw the eye. We'll just draw an almond shape first and start drawing in like a slight round line, and don't forget the highlight. We'll just make that darker, and I'm going to start shading this now just to give it more form. Some shadows here underneath the brow, and this is gonna be just a sketch, so I'm just gonna leave a lot of the pencil marks, then maybe some shadows here above the eye, darken the upper edge of the head here, and I'm gonna darken this part of the head with some lines just to separate the bill from where the feathers are, like right here. And start to kind of indicate how this is a full cheek by adding some shadow like right underneath, like that. And of course this part of the head will be even deeper in the shadow, so I'm going to make that a little bit darker, like that. And just some random lines here to show that there's some feathers and they're forming some shadows, some tone, so it's not all flat. Even these marks here a little bit better. And now I'm going to make the bottom here by the neck significantly darker, just because this is in shadow. And add some more values here on the far edge, maybe just a little bit darker line here, and this just makes it a little bit more graphic. And some very light lines just to show that there is some color to this beak. And I think I'm just gonna finish right there. This was just a quick sketch, and you can add more detail as you want, of course. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Have a great day.